The Police Officers' Wives Association, POWA, led by the 22nd President of the association, Deaconess Mrs. Elizabeth Olukayode Egbetoku, have visited the Lagos POWA chapter headed by the chairperson Dr. Mrs. Folami Owonwa and her management team, which aimed at readdressing the challenges and difficulties the wives and children of deceased and serving police officers within Lagos State Police Command.
A privilege for me as the president of the Police Officers' Wives Association, POWA, to stand before you today on this remarkable occasion. This event holds a special place in our hearts as we gather to celebrate education, empowerment and boundless potential that resides within our children. Today, we come together not only as a community, but as a force for positive change. We recognize that education is the cornerstone of progress and a powerful tool that can transform lives. As we award scholarships to these exceptional young minds, we are not merely granting financial support, we are investing in a brighter future for our nation.
Speaking at the empowerment program held in Lagos, the chairperson of POWA Lagos State Chapter, Dr. Mrs. Folami Owonwa, applauded the efforts and initiative of Deaconess Mrs. Elizabeth Egbetoku by creating an enabling environment and scholarship awards to the beneficiaries following the vision and mission to support their livelihood.
This significant gathering unites us to commemorate and recognize the remarkable leadership of the police officer's wife under our insightful guidance. Mrs. Egbetoku's courage, dedication to initiate the focus on behalf of on welfare has served as a wellspring of inspiration for us all. On this occasion, we come together not only to convey our heartfelt appreciation, but also to embark on a journey of empowerment and advancement. One of the most inspiring aspects of Mrs. Egbetoku's leadership to me is our relentless pursuit of value addition to family of police officers.
Attendees who witnessed the occasion were the Commissioner of Police Lagos State Police Command, CP Idowu Owonwa, the First Lady of Lagos State, Dr. Mrs. Claudiana Ibijoke Sonolu, ably represented by Mrs. Fumi Omotosho, all area commanders within the state, Obasaliu Babatunde Olowore of Oworonshoki Kingdom, POWA members, beneficiaries, and other senior police officers.
I bring you this warm address from the First Lady of Lagos State. I'm elated to be present at the maiden edition of this scholarship award to the children of officers and men of the Nigerian Police Lagos State Command. Permit me to specially recognize and appreciate the Police Officers' Wives Association, POWA, for initiating this laudable gesture poised to support the children of the officers and men of the Nigerian Police Lagos State Command towards actualizing their academic pursuits for a greater and more fulfilling future.
Some of the beneficiaries have actually lost their parents in the line of duty. Just as we were about coming here, I got the sad information of us losing another policeman who had been on the sick bed. He has children, he has families, and he paid the supreme sacrifice in order to keep others alive. So when events of this nature are organized, we should not take it for the face value. It motivates us. It shows us that while in service or out of service, if we had to pay the supreme sacrifice, or if we have to, out of our integrity, struggle to keep the future of our children bright.
The traditional ruler also pledged to support POWA with the motive to drastically reduce poverty and support their means of livelihood.
First of all, I would like to congratulate POWA for this beautiful program that is ongoing. I saw the excitement, the happiness in those children that were giving checks today. And it is something that is, it's really good to witness such a thing. Many children really value education. They know the importance of education. But many do not have the resources to get the education that they really want. I'm sure what the POWA chairman Lagos have done today will really go a long way in reshaping the lives of those children. Our POWA president, thank you so much.
The high point of the event was the presentation of checks and other items to the beneficiaries. However, some of the beneficiaries could not hide their feelings of joy, interacted with our correspondent.
I intend to utilize it in so many aspects in life. Like it would make life more easier for me in my school activities. I don't have to worry anymore to run back to my parents for emergency again. I just have to keep it simple now because I have been part of the beneficiaries to receive a scholarship like this. I feel so privileged and I am so excited.
I feel very excited. It's a huge sum of money and then I'm really excited. It's in numerous areas since there's a upsurge in the price of school fees and all. It helps to lessen the burden of the family. Thank you so much, POWA. God bless you. Many more money, many more blessings, and I'm really grateful to POWA.
Above all, visitors who graced the occasion urged the Police Officers' Wives Association in other states to emulate such a laudable event as in Lagos. In Lagos, Jennifer Mosu reporting for Newsbuster TV.